हर कोई आके यही बोलता है पहले रिकॉर्ड क्या चाहिए आपको. We call it Ram Punch. Air Force movie and Bollywood related.
Namaskar, guys, and welcome to the episode 2 of Jazba Junction Women in Combat. So, we often hear phrases like high pressure job, critical responsibility, but imagine a situation where a technical error isn't just a missed deadline, it's about the national security. Imagine standing in a front of a desert operation, strong wind, harsh weather, limited time, and behind you is a team looking for decisions. In front of you is nothing but India's most critical radar and missile system that simply cannot afford to fail. Most of us panic अगर 5 मिनट तक वाईफाई नहीं आता, so we see as if our boss is going to make us dead. But for the guest today, ensuring mission critical systems stayed operational wasn't an occasional challenge. It was a part of her job description. She served for over 14 years in Indian Air Force engineering branch, worked across tragic air bases, lead technical teams in demanding environment, and built a career defined by leadership, excellence, and under pressure. So, everyone, please join me in welcoming a leader, a veteran, and someone whose journey continues to inspire countless Indian young women. We have a Wing Commander Monica Dubey, a decorated veteran. Ma'am, first of all, it's a pleasure for me that I'm having here with you for the episode 2.
It's a pleasure to talk to you also. And thank you so much for the wonderful intro you gave because, it is making me remember everything. But whatever you said was making me remember the moments I lived in such situations. So thank you so much for studying about it and knowing about it.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. So, without any delay, first questions पे आते हैं. तो मैम जैसा कि कहते हैं कि बच्चा जब छोटा होता है पता चल जाता है कि वो बड़े होके क्या करेगा कैसा रहेगा. सो मैम फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन हमारा इधर ही बाउंस होता है कि जब आप छोटे थे तो आप वो टीचर की फेवरेट डिसिप्लिन स्टूडेंट थे या वो गली कमांडर टाइप बॉस थे.
So I have been a very quiet child and so I'll say I was very average student. I was not very bright or the person who appears everywhere. I was average at everything, but I used to do everything, and I think this helped me in Forge also, that I can learn everything and bring everything together. So yeah, that answers your question, I guess.
यस मैम एब्सोल्युटली. सो ऑडियंस कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं स्कूल में जाके रिपोर्ट कार्ड कलेक्ट करते हैं और कुछ लोग लीडरशिप कार्ड कलेक्ट करते हैं. सो अंडरस्टैंड कि वेयर यू आर लाइक. ओके मैम, मूविंग ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. तो मैम जैसे मैंने सर्च किया आपके बारे में थोड़ा सा, सो आई गॉट टू नो कि आपने डेजर्ट ऑपरेशंस, मिशन क्रिटिकल सिस्टम्स, जहाँ पे लिटरली जीरो एरर एनवायरनमेंट में आपने काम किया. तो मैम अब like you have shifted to like Zen technologies I hope so मैम. वहां पे जब वाईफाई नहीं होता, एसी नहीं काम कर रहा होता, तो लोग एकदम वैसे जैसे लगता है फड़फड़ा जाते हैं, जैसे अब तो क्या ही बचा, कुछ नहीं बचा. तो मैम जब आप कंपेयर करते हैं तो आपको क्या लगता है कि सिविलियन प्रेशर और फोर्स के प्रेशर में क्या डिफरेंस है.
So, see, the work which I'm doing at Zen is little different. Okay, so I'll not talk about Zen much because we are here for Forge thing. So I'll just tell you how Forge is different. Uh, Coming to the Forge part, in Forge you don't have, as you said, it's a zero error place. आपको करना है, ठीक है? You have to find a way how to do it, and that ownership is always there. Okay, there's no chances that you can leave something behind. That same thing applies to serviceability of equipment. Okay, and the equipment which I was dealing with is obsolete. Okay, it is like facing the obsolescence. So the time when I was using it uh, with my team, we all were responsible to make it serviceable 100% 24/7 time. Okay, so the point of how that was different from this work is, this is about money, of course, because I'm into business development. Okay, but that work was about, which comes from within, that my equipment should be serviceable so that I can fight at any given point of time. Okay, that is the main difference, I would say. And coming to the serviceability part which you told, uh, how to do it, for that too much goes into it. And for this I'll say the biggest support is your team. Okay, if you have a strong team, and you have it in Forge, you have it. You just should know that who are the people good at what thing. So I have been successful because of my team. Okay, that's what I'll say.
दैट्स अ ट्रू टीम स्पिरिट मैम. लाइक लोग यूजुअली क्या करते हैं जब टीम के बारे में बात आती है तो सिर्फ लोग अपना बखान करते हैं, बट आई अंडरस्टूड इट फ्रॉम यू कि टीम इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. किसी भी मिशन में टीम बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. एंड ऑडियंस, लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड दिस फैक्ट कि हर प्रेशर मतलब हर प्रेशर सिर्फ काम के लिए नहीं होता, कभी कभी उसकी कॉन्सिक्वेंस भी समझने लगता है. तो सिर्फ हर नोटिफिकेशन मैसेज कोई इमरजेंसी कॉल नहीं होता. वी शुड स्टे काम एंड वी शुड डू दैट. ओके मैम. सो मूविंग ऑन टू अ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. मैम कहते हैं कि समय के साथ इंसान बदलता है, उसकी तकदीर बदलती है. सो मैम, एयरफोर्स, और जब एयरफोर्स में आपने 14 ईयर सर्व किया, बहुत चेंजेस आए जब आपने ज्वाइन की होगी अकेडमी एयरफोर्स की. एंड अब आप देखते हैं, तो अब आप जब पिछले वाले अपने आप को देखते हैं और अब आप अपने आप को देखते हैं, तो आपको मेन डिफरेंस क्या दिखता है?
So you are reminding me of the Instagram, thing which is trendy nowadays, wherein you see your younger self, maybe 18 or 16, and then you talk to them. So I have imagined the same thing. Okay. And there is a trend in a similar aspect which says first in the bloodline, right? So let me tell you, at that time it was just a dream that I wanted to join Air Force because my father was in also Air Force. He was not in the officer's rank, but then he was in Air Force, and me and my brother both joined Air Force. My brother is also in Air Force. Okay. So at that time it was just a dream. Okay. So if she looks today, then she will understand that she is going to be the first in the bloodline to be the commissioned officer, because I got commissioned before my brother. Okay. First gadgeted officer, first woman to pass the engineering and then getting into the forces and becoming gadgeted officer. Okay. So there are many firsts related to it, because as on date also there's no one who has done in my bloodline. Okay. To this point, so my endeavor when I go for this, why I'm into teaching people why how to get into defense or guiding them is mainly because of this reason. This is my way of telling them, please come, please understand, at least understand the options so that you can know whether you are made for this or not. So if you to to conclude this, she would be proud and she would be the happiest person to know that she has done whatever she decided to and she has no regrets.
एब्सोल्युटली मैम. मैं आपकी जगह होती, मुझे बात सुन के इतना अच्छा लग रहा है, तो फिर आपको तो बहुत ही अच्छा लगेगा. ओके मैम. मैम, सोशल मीडिया पे आज लोग कहते हैं कि मतलब बहुत ही डिबेटेबल टॉपिक है ये कि वुमेन्स को फ्रंट लाइन रोल्स में नहीं होना चाहिए. मैम, लेकिन जैसे आपने सिस्टम लीड किया है, यू होल्ड वेरी लॉट ऑफ फर्स्ट रैंक्स, एंड मैंने ऐसे काफी डिबेट सुने हैं जहाँ पे फोर्सेस वाले खुद भी कह रहे होते हैं कि नहीं, वुमेन को फ्रंट लाइन पे नहीं भेजना चाहिए, देयर इज लॉट ऑफ सिक्योरिटी मैटर, वुमेन्स की सेफ्टी एंड ऑल दोस. तो मैम, सवाल ये है कि जब भी कोई हम मिसाइल चला रहे होते हैं, कोई रडार सिस्टम देख रहे होते हैं, तो क्या वो सिस्टम देखता है कि उसे कोई जेंडर चला रहा है या वो मेरिट पे बेस करता है? मैम, इस पे आपके क्या ओपिनियन है?
So let me just take you with me for understanding what kind of profile I was looking. I was in Air Force, but the work I used to look was similar to Army. Okay. I used to go on deployment with set of people to forward locations or to the place where there is no accommodation. So we have set tent and lived in them. Okay. So why there is a resistance? Because for your generation, maybe it will be little difficult to understand, but for our generation, we can connect with our, predecessors, and they have already fought for us, and it has become easier for us to understand all these things. But let me just tell you from perspective of men. When I say men, my men means my airmen or my team. Okay, these people were not that comfortable working with women in such scenarios, because let me tell you very frankly, in deployment what happens is hot weathers may they would like to be in just vest. Of course, if a woman officer is there, they won't feel comfortable. Okay, so how to overcome that thing was one of the main challenges. Okay, so how to go about is you have to understand that you will be facing such issues. So before facing it, make it you're commanding them and they listen to you, well. Of course, it is said that it is because of command that people listen to you. I don't agree. For field condition, it is earned. Okay. This is a repetitive question asked to most of the officers during their transition time, that how will you adjust with the corporate thing. So same thing applies to the forge in field unit also. A person will not give their life just because you are his senior. You have to earn that thing. For that, you have to lead with the leadership. Now that leadership is not different. It is not different for a gender basis. It's not like a man will be different or a woman. Maybe a personal repo, maybe uh, you can say it will be different gender wise, but how to earn that? Okay, so first thing I would say is understand why people say this, that combat role is not fit for women. Then we can have our fight. Okay, so when the example I gave you, this is a very basic example. Okay, there are multiple things related to equipment also. Equipment is very small, it is very congested, and you work very closely to the your team. Okay, so there are the problems are there. How you handle it is the thing. So you need to bridge that gap. You need to make them comfortable that maybe they were not in co-ed, and maybe they were not understanding that women are okay with it, that they can get along with you. So you have to understand that education is different. First thing, it applies in few of the cases, not all the cases. Okay, so the root cause need to be understood, that why they go for this combat role. I'll tell you another example with a similar condition. When we used to go initially, so there are 3 4 women officers who were posted with me in the unit, and we took a call that we will project our seniors that we can also go on such deployment. Okay, this was my first posting. Now how we handle this was, we told them we just need 2 women officers. Okay, so that if one uses washroom in such areas, other one can safeguard. Okay, these washroom are in the field unit, uh, mid of nowhere, so you need somebody of your gender to be there and make you feel safe. That is there. Okay, so things are there which are different because of the gender wise, but once you get comfortable, once you know your team, you know how to overcome these problems. So when to answer your question now, again, to conclude, women can handle anything, uh, but you need to be tactful, and you need to understand why this thing is coming into the mind of people. Okay, which I have given enough example. I hope this is okay. If you have subsequent question on this, you can ask me.
मैम दैट रिस्पॉन्स वाज वेरी फुलफिलिंग, मतलब बहुत अच्छा लगा जान के मैम। बिकॉज अब की जो जनरेशन है, हम लोग क्या देखते हैं, हमें ये बता दिया जाता है कि दैट इट्स स्टीरियोटाइप, इट्स ऑल एंड ऑल थिंग, बट हम कभी पीछे की चीजें नहीं देख पाते कि उसके पीछे का रीजन क्या है, हम वो नहीं समझ पाते। हम
Yeah,
सिर्फ वही लेके बैठ जाते हैं, बैनर वुमेन शुड गो हेयर, वुमेन शुड गो हेयर। अरे समझो तो रीजन उसका क्या है।
correct.
सो मैम अपॉन दिस क्वेश्चन आई वुड लाइक कि मैम आपका फर्स्ट अप्रोच कैसे था, कि अगर कोई वुमेन ऑफिसर जाती है, उनको भी ऐसी प्रॉब्लम फेस होती है, तो वो क्या करे।
Okay, so I'll give you 2 examples for this. First, so I've told you that we were set of women. Luckily, in my first posting, we were 4 of us. Okay, so we decided कि हम दो के buddy pair बना के जाएंगे, so that one of them is there to take help of other. Though we don't need it. Okay, let me tell you this also. Men officers who were there with us are more than enough to trust. But then there is a factor to stay safe, because that resistance is there, that how can a woman go in a field area and handle this thing. Okay, so for that we propose this solution, and on a later stage we were given this responsibility alone. So I've seen that in 10 initial 10 years, for I'll forget last 4 years. Okay, initial 10 years I have seen that change of sending women alone with people, with whole setup, whole equipment, and whole force to deploy somewhere. Okay, so this is again earned. Okay, first you need to propose the solution. This is for women. When I am giving us, when I'm saying this us, I would say for women and girls, first understand what is the problem, how can you handle it, prove that you can do it, and I'm telling you, you can do anything you want. Okay, so understand the problem, find how you can solve it, and then go for it. And I'm telling you, people support you like anything. and especially in Air Force, तो people will support you. It applies to defense forces actually. Yeah. Okay. I was telling you second example also. This is related to convoy. Okay, there are set of vehicles which go in convoy. Okay, so the first convoy I did was somewhere Punjab to Delhi. Okay, and Delhi's traffic is also very peak. So this is initial 2 years of my service. Okay, so I had to. I was officer, but I had to get down. uh, I was having two, those lights which are carried by traffic policemen. वो लेकर हाथ में सच में खड़े होके रोड में मैंने ऐसे रोका है कि let my गाड़ी pass, because the person who is driving is your troop. Okay, he obviously cannot come down at that time. आपको लीड करना है उस वक्त, आपको ये नहीं सोचना है कि मैं ऑफिसर हूँ, मैं उतर के ऐसे कैसे कर सकता हूँ या कर सकती हूँ. This is something which I think women tries to avoid. Because of our grooming we will think कि भाई बीच सड़क में खड़े होके कैसे कर ले ये वाली चीज. So you are first convince yourself that you can do anything, then you will be able to do everything. Okay, that's what I want.
Amazing, ma'am. Your stories are amazing, ma'am.
Yeah.
So, girls and audience who are listening this, let us remember कि पहले ही कोई पैदाइशी झांसी की रानी नहीं होती. पहले बनना पड़ता है. We have to learn that, and then only. And when it comes to all the awkwardness points ना कि अरे भाई वो रोड के बीच में कैसे हम लेके खड़े हो, we are women. So avoid that. If you have joined forces, then stay the one. Okay, ma'am. Moving on to the next question. मैम, ऑपरेशन सिंदूर हमें ये बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग इमोशन देता है कि हम अपने घर की बेटियों को, उनके सिंदूर को बचा सकते हैं. बट मैम, स्टिल टुडे आज भी काफी रूरल एरिया है, ऐसे कई जगह है जहां लड़कियों को अपने सपने के लिए लड़ना पड़ता है. उन्हें पढ़ाया नहीं जाता, उन्हें उनसे उनके ड्रीम्स नहीं पूछे जाते. उम्र हो जाए तो शादी कर दी जाती है, और फिर यू नो ऑल द थिंग्स अबाउट दिस. तो हम इस पे आप क्या कहेंगी कि सिर्फ फ्रंट लाइन पे ये दिखाना कि वी कैन प्रोटेक्ट आवर वुमेन्स, वी कैन प्रोटेक्ट देम, बट हम इंटरनली इस बारे में क्या करें? इस पे क्या सजेशन होंगे आप?
So sweetheart, I would like to say कि चेंज हम लोग लाते हैं. ठीक है, we the citizen of India will bring the change. So if we see a problem, we cannot put everything on government. Please understand, government can make roads, but then if somebody is just eating गुटखा मुंह में खा के बस सीधे थूक रहा है, and if we don't take a call to stop him then and there, then things will not change. Same thing applies to this village perception of not teaching girls. उनके हिसाब से एक घर में रोटी बनाता है और एक पैसा कमा के लाता है. उनको ये चेंज दिखाना, द वे वी आर डूइंग राइट नाउ, उनको ये चीजें पहुंचाना कि एक लड़की क्या क्या कर सकती है और उनकी लड़की भी लड़के के बराबर है, वो अभी भी इतना अंदर घुसा हुआ है कि उसको निकलने में टाइम लग रहा है. एंड आप जो अभी आज के डेट पे देख रहे हो इज अ मच इम्प्रूव थिंग. Though I am from different generation and the generation before me have seen worse things, ठीक है, but I know there are still things which need a lot of improvement. Okay, so for that we need to take that onus, and I congratulate you on taking such initiative also, you and Anon, that we are making people aware of things. It is not just this podcast, other things too. Okay, the way I've conducted lecture and everything, let's not get off track. So these are the ways and means to tell the world that these things are required. ठीक है, हम फिर अपनी लाइफ में बिजी हो जाते हैं. हम जब बच्चे होते हैं ना तब तो हमें करना होता है. इन कॉलेज वी फील यस ये चेंज लाना है, बट ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम जब आपकी खुद की फैमिली बन जाती है, आप खुद बिजी हो जाते हो, आप भूल जाते हो कि मैंने ऐसा कुछ सोचा था. तो गो बैक टू योर सोसाइटी, गिव बैक टू देम एंड मेक देम अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट. वर्क तो चले गई, फैमिली भी, इट्स you're living for your family, but then सोसाइटी को ये बताना भी हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है, क्योंकि जब कोई अकम्प्लिश होकर वापस आके कुछ बताता है तो लोग ज्यादा सुनते हैं rather than सीधे बताता है. ठीक है, that's what I wanted to say.
मैम, टुडे विद ईच एंड एवरी लाइन ऑफ योर्स आई एम मेस्मराइज्ड. मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है बस खो जाओ आपकी बातों में. मैम, इट्स सीरियसली सो नाइस. मैम आई हैव सीन लाइक आप मेंटोर भी करती हैं जो यंग एस्पिरेंट्स ज्वाइन करना चाहते हैं डिफेंस फोर्सेस।
Yeah.
एसएसबी का एक बहुत ही पॉपुलर क्वेश्चन है मैम, जिसमें लोग हमेशा मतलब अटक जाते हैं कि व्हाई डू यू वांट टू जॉइन फोर्सेस। सब बोलते हैं कि देश के लिए करना है, ये करना है, वो करना है। आजकल कोचिंग सेंटर्स में भी इतना बताया जाता है। बट मैम एक जेन्युइन रिस्पॉन्स, मतलब इसे कोई वायरल क्लिप ना बने कि क्या बोलना है, बट एक जेन्युइन रिस्पॉन्स मैम इस पे, मतलब एक बच्चा है, जैसे मैं अगर आपको एग्जांपल दूं अपना, मैम पता नहीं है क्या है, बट वेन एवर आई सी फ्लैग्स, मैं कहीं पे भी बाहर जाती हूँ जहाँ पे जैसे इंडिपेंडेंस डे के दिन था, उस दिन इंडिपेंडेंस दिन था और हमारा नेशनल फ्लैग मैम नीचे गिरा हुआ था, उससे लोग पैर से चल के जा रहे थे। मैम किस नाम का इंडिपेंडेंस डे? तो मेरा ये हमेशा रहा है कि कभी भी झंडा झुकता हुआ दिखता है ना, इट्स अ बेसिक नेचुरल इंस्टिंक्ट इन मी, आई वुड लाई, मैं उठा ली थी वो झंडा, मतलब वो फीलिंग आती है। तो मैम उन सारे लोगों के लिए जो एसएसबी में बैठेंगे, इंटरव्यू देंगे, तो इस क्वेश्चन का क्या प्रेफर्ड रिस्पॉन्स होना चाहिए?
See, I know people who told that I don't know anything about SSB or defense, but I'm sitting in front of you because मुझे ये chance मिला है and they have got selected. Okay, so don't just let it be genuine. Let it be your reason rather than finding a best answer to it. The way it was for me, it was a childhood dream. But हर कोई आके यही बोलता है कि मुझे देश के लिए कुछ करना है या फिर मेरा चाइल्डहुड ड्रीम है. हाउ यू वांट टू मेक इट डिफरेंट? यू नो, व्हाई आर यू डिफरेंट? और डिफरेंट होने की बात जब बात करते हैं तो वो क्यों बोल रहे हैं? क्योंकि आपको लीड करना है हर जगह. इट्स नॉट इजी टू लीड इन एवरी सिचुएशन. Okay, and you fail as a leader also, fine, but having that answer which makes your answer unique and about you is more important. Okay, so frankly I'm telling you these answers were given that I'm not aware how defense forces work, but mere paas opportunity aayi final year mein and I have gone for it. And he, matlab they were top in the merit. Okay, so be genuine, सच बोलना है. एसएसबी के लिए बस एक ही चीज है, अगर आपको पता है थोड़ा सा पता करके जाओ, दैट मेक्स यू अवेयर. ठीक है, फास्ट होना है, रिएक्ट करना है. एंड एसएसबी गिव यू मल्टीपल अटेम्प्ट्स टू गो देयर. ठीक है, आई थिंक 10 एंड मोर. ओके, देर इज नो, मतलब यू कैन गो फॉर अनलिमिटेड अटेम्प्ट ऑल्सो, बिकॉज 10 पे एज खत्म हो जाती है, दैट्स व्हाई वी से 10. ओके, सो जस्ट बी जेन्युइन, दैट्स इट.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much. Coming to rapid fire round, ma'am. Okay, so first question is कि मिशन कंप्लीट हुआ, जैसे लॉन्ग डे ओवर, पहले रिवॉर्ड क्या चाहिए आपको? फौजी का चाय, कंप्लीट साइलेंस या म्यूजिक?
मिशन खत्म होते ही
हाँ।
we call it rum punch. Okay, it is a gathering, it is a party in which we get together and have rum. It is called rum punch, but it is the people who don't drink, they have soft drinks. Okay, but it is called rum punch. Rum punch.
ओके मैम। मैम एक कोई ऐसा बॉलीवुड मिथ या बॉलीवुड की कोई ऐसी लाइन एयरफोर्स मूवी में देखा गया हो जो आपको बड़ी अच्छी लगी हो?
Air Force movie and Bollywood related.
हाँ हाँ।
Laksh, word. I don't need a sentence. Laksh. That's my reason to join. मतलब to get motivated again and again. Okay,
अच्छा ओके, आई हैव आल्सो सीन दैट मूवी बट पूरी नहीं देख पाई, पता नहीं
please
एग्जाम्स आ
do
गए थे।
watch it. Must watch. Okay,
ओके
it's
मैम।
not only for defense. It is for any aim. Aim. Laksh means aim. Okay, so how to go about your Laksh? Finding your Laksh. Yeah.
Okay, ma'am. All right. Ma'am, thank you so much for sharing your achievements behind the uniform, but also with warmth, humor और सारी चीजें. And आज का conversation really मेरे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा memorable होगा because I really love each and every insight of yours. हमारी audience को भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. Thank you so much, ma'am.
So, Ridhima, since we are ending this podcast, I would like to say at your age and the way you are conducting this podcast, it's praiseworthy. Kudos to you.
Thank you so
Seriously.
much, ma'am.
And thank you so much for having me here. Thank you to the team and Alpesh and on everybody. Yeah. Thank you
Thank
so
you
much.
so much, ma'am.